My name is Marie and this is my granddaughter Emma. So Emma, what are we going to make today?
Crispy wontons.
Oh, crispy wonton, good. My ancestor came from China, so crispy wonton is a Chinese food, traditional Chinese food, and it becomes our favorite in our family, favorite appetizer or snacks. Let's get started, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And let's see the ingredients here. We have ground beef, 300 grams of ground beef. You can use your favorite meat. You can use ground pork, or ground chicken, or ground turkey, whatever you like, okay? And then we have, this is, let's see, 3 minced garlic. Okay, Emma, can you put it in the bowl with the, good job, Emma. This is salt, half teaspoon of salt. Thank you, Emma. Yeah, put it in here. And this is a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Okay, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Cornstarch is used to absorb the moistures of the meat and also to make it, the texture is really nice. Thank you, Emma. Yeah, all of them. And then we're going to use egg, 1 egg, okay? Ding, ding, ding.
Wow.
There you go. Mix it. I'm going to mix it with chopstick. And we're going to put 2 pieces of green onion. We have to chop it really fine. Okay. I love green onion. The smell is really good. Did you smell it? Yeah. And fresh garlic. You can use a garlic powder, but I love fresh garlic. The smell is so good. And then we're going to put inside here. Let's see. Bing. And we're going to put 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. This is oyster sauce. Yeah, 1 tablespoon. Let me add a little bit. It wasn't full before. Oyster sauce is good. It tastes like a little bit sweet, a little bit salty. Yeah. And then 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I use here Kikkoman. And the next one is sesame oil. This is optional. If you don't like the smell of sesame oil, you don't have to use it. But I love the smell. Smell it. This one is, I just want to put 1 teaspoon. If you love it, you can put 2 teaspoons. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon. Oh, add a little bit, maybe 2 teaspoons. There you go. I think it's about it, and we're going to mix it. You know what? I'm going to use hands because it makes the hands better thoroughly. And we wash our hands before, right? Did you? Yeah. I washed my hand before we started.
Cool.
Cool, huh? Did you smell good already? After this, we're going to do the wrapping. Yeah, that's the fun part. You wrap one by one, and you just put 1 teaspoon for the filling. You know, not much, not much. All right, we're done with the filling. Now we're going to show you how to write wontons. Okay, we're going to use wonton wrapper. So here, Emma, you want we're going to wrap the simple one first, okay? I'm going to show you. Oops. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of the filling in the middle.
Thanks, Nene.
Knife.
And then
Easier.
water.
See? You just need a little bit. Put in the middle. And we're going to wet the edge right here. And another one right here. That's all on the 2 sides. And then we're going to fold it over and press it. Make sure there's no air here. See? It's triangle. Wow, you do a good job, Emma. Yes, let's put right here. Okay?
Yeah.
It's done. We're going to show them one more time. And then we can do what next? What's next, Emma? We're going to wet the edge.
Wet the edge.
Yes, and we're going to fold it into triangle. This is a simple one, but it still tastes good. And next I'm going to show you a little bit fancy one, fancier.
Fancier.
Yes, fancier. We're going to do the same. Put 1 teaspoon in the middle. And we're going to wet also. It's just the same way like the triangle. We make triangle, we fold it over. But then this is the difference. We have 2 pointed here, and we're going to wet 1 here. Okay? And we're going to fold it in the middle and put together and pinch it. Isn't that pretty? See? Yeah. Okay, you need help, Emma, to make like this? Yeah. You know what you could do is put 1 little water here. Nice. Good job. More, a little bit more. There you go. And then you're going to fold this, okay? Here, put together. Put this on top. There you go. You did. This is like a what? Boat, little boat.
Or a little
Nice, huh?
hat.
That's right. Let's put here. We're going to make one more time. Can you do it by yourself?
Yes.
Yeah, sure. Try, okay? There you go.
Yay.
Nice job. Look at you. Let's put right here.
Tornado.
And this one is my favorite. 1 teaspoon. Just a little bit. But we're not going to put it in the middle, Emma. But just a little bit closer to the corner, to the bottom. A bit closer. Just a little bit. Okay? A bit closer. It's not in the middle, but a little bit closer. And then we're going to put, we're going to wet water like this, and we're going to close it. Not a triangle, but just to cover the meat. See, just to cover the meat. If the meat came out from here, don't worry about it, because we're going to fry them and it's going to stick to the wrapper, because we have cornstarch. Cornstarch also, the function is to stick together. Yeah, it's a little bit further, like here. Now right in the edge, closer. Did you put water here? Good job. And then a little bit like this, see? Press it. Yeah. Don't worry if the meat come out from there. Okay. And then we're going to do the same. We put water here, only one edge.
Okay.
And we're going to do
Where?
like this. Right. Right. Oh. You turn it over and put water here. And I just like open a little bit. I like it because it's white here. The wrapper part is whiter than that. It makes it crispier when you fried it. Okay? Seems nice. want to show you one more time my favorite shape. So, see, when you fry, it's cooked thoroughly.
Let's count.
Okay, you ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
49, 50.
50.
We have 50 and we use all the wrappers and we still have a little bit of filling meat. We can keep this in the freezer and we can use it for next time. Okay, so this is a lot, 50. If you want to use half, only 25 or 30, you can use half of the recipe. Now we're going to fry them, and right here I'm using small Teflon, and you can use deep fryer if you have it, even better. I like to use a little bit of frying oil. That's why I use smaller Teflon. And make sure you use a low heat or medium. Yeah? So you just want to make sure the filling is really cooked. See, look. We can put 2 or 3. And we flip it over. We can put 3. These are done. These are done because look at the color. It's golden brown. Okay.
I want to make one more. It's done.
Right here. Put some more. Let's see. This is my favorite shape. I'm going to put 3 of them.
Maybe this one.
And make sure you shake it like this so the oil goes evenly. See, this is golden brown. See, very nice color. That means it's already done. And the shape, it looks nice. Some more.
Wow, Nene, it's all done.
I know, it looks delicious. You know, you can just eat by itself like that, or sometimes I dip in a sweet and sour sauce. This is a sweet chili sauce from Mayploy. Yeah, this is good. You can get it also in Asian grocery store. It's real, not expensive, like $2 or something. And it's really good. Shall we try?
Yes.
Yeah, let's try. Wait, little spicy, little spicy. But you can, let me try this one. Dip it in the sweet and sour sauce, chili sweet and sauce.
Enjoy yours.
So crunchy.
Yours.
Here are crispy wontons. Enjoy.
This one looks like a rattlesnake.
So good. It's a chili sauce. Try a little bit.